Hi everyone. This is the first of quite a few short videos to show you how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. So without further ado, I'm just going to open it. You need to make sure that you don't have a lot of programs and things open on your computer when you're using Adobe Premiere Pro because it takes up quite a bit of memory and you'll find that things can get quite laggy with your video editing if you do have a lot of other things open. So when the screen opens, what you want to do is go to File, go to New, go to Project, and what I want you to do is put in your emotion. So I'm going to call it Joy and put your name as well. So I'm just going to put Ms. S. Okay, so I'm just going to put S New in and then click Create. And the first step is all you need to do is add all your videos in this screen here. But before you so So when you create your project, it will open up to a screen that looks like this, where you have a lot of different squares, and you're going to learn what each does as we move along in the videos. So what you need to make sure of is where it says workspaces here, the little rectangle with the blue dot, you need to make sure that you're working in the essentials version, just so that you are looking at the same layout that I am to make things easier. So here to import media to start, all you need to do is drag all the videos that you have recorded in. I've put all my videos in a folder. So literally it is simple as drag and drop. And that's the first step. So you have dragged your videos in.